one of the things that you've always been identified is a quote.
Yeah.
Say, there is no better investment than investing in yourself.
Yeah.
So what do you normally do, for example, on weekends? And I'm sure a lot of people are asking themselves that.
Yeah. So my typical weekend, I'll typically on Saturday start at around 5. Mm-hmm. So most Saturdays I go cycling at 5.
Yeah.
So we cycle at 5, come back by 8. So I've improved. Initially I would take about 3.5 hours to do the 70 loop. Now we are taking now we are on 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Then I go play squash with my son, and then later I go watch my other son play tennis. Mm-hmm. Typically back in the afternoon, sort of have activities, sit in the garden, read a book, encourage them to read a book. So that's a typical Saturday when you don't have meetings, when you're not traveling. On Sunday we may come to the mall.
Yes.
And I typically come with them. Yes. They give feedback.
Yes.
See what's happening, what's not happening. Yes. So you get a sense to see what's happening in the center.
Yeah.
So that's what our typical. It's a normal weekend. That's a typical weekend for us.
Yeah.